Take a ride in the 2019 A6. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.